welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonia, and in today's video I'm going to be trying on a ton of swimsuits from Walmart. They're all new and hopefully still in stock by the time I upload this video, so if you like anything, make sure you jump on it because they tend to sell out pretty quickly. And you can also shop directly here from YouTube if you're not aware. I'll try my best to do time stamping, so as I'm showing you each piece and trying them on, you guys will see a little pop-up or a highlight on the products that I am featuring. But before we get into this video, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have yet to join my family, and let's get into it. This swimsuit is in a size medium. It is from Sofia Vergara's line. I got it in black, but it does come in, I believe it comes in red. I'm not sure if I grabbed the red one, so if I do, you'll see it coming. But I actually like this one. I'm like, okay, waist. It isn't as high-waisted as I really thought it would be. You can see my underwear right here, but I like it. Doesn't it kind of give me a little waist here? I'm like, oh, okay, hey. And it is a brief cut, so your cheeks won't be hanging all the way out, okay? As far as the plunge here, I thought it was gonna be a lot more risque, but it's not. And I feel like it's one of those swimsuits that you can put jeans on top and it wouldn't even look like a swimsuit. It looks like it could be like a bodysuit, right? These are a pair of jeans that I got off of Amazon. So I'll be linking these down below if you guys are interested in these as well. Looks like a bodysuit. Love, okay. I'm gonna keep this one. Also wanted to show you this cover up that I got. This is from the juniors department. It is in a size large, extra large. And it has like a little front tie here. Perfect to go on top of your swimsuit if you want to cover up just a bit. Or I feel like this would be cute even to throw over like some shorts, board shorts or something and leave this open. Gives that like vacation vibe, right? So cute, okay. This next one I got in a size large because I was really worried about these lined cuts here in the front. Now, I do have a larger bust, so I am like double D, triple D chest size. I know it might not look like it right now, but I guess that's a good thing because they're not just taking over. I don't have any spillage down here, which I really like because I hate when I wear tops like this where it's so small that some of me is hanging out down here, you know what I mean? But since I don't have much of a waist, there is like extra material. You see that? Like if I had a longer torso, it'd be stretched out, but since I don't, it's not. I don't think it bothers me too much. Here's the back of the bathing suit. There's a little peekaboo here. It is a little bit more on the cheeky side. It's ribbed, fully lined with adjustable straps, and there's no like padding in the bust area. So just in case you were looking for that, this does come in black, I think maybe like a zebra print, which is really fun. I'll probably show that to you guys on Instagram because it didn't come in time. But I actually really like this color on my skin. I'm like, love it. Okay, here's the next one. This one's also from Sofia Vergara and I got it in a large again because I was worried about the cup sizing. Now for these particular cups, they're kind of loose on the sides here because on the tag here it says that you can wear it in different ways. Like you can cross this, I believe, like over your neck like this. Oh, that closes up the gap that I had here. Okay. Wait a sec. Okay, Sophia. Ew. This one's hot. This one's hot. A little dangerous, but this is hot. Okay, this next one is from a brand called Time and True, and it has removable pads here, which I'm glad about because this one is like so warped and it just makes the front look lumpy and bumpy. I did get it in a size large again, and I'm having that issue where since I have a short torso, it's getting like bunched up here. The bottoms are not flattering at all. I mean, it just looks like a red diaper girl. Like, this is not, no. Okay, this is a no. I think maybe if it was in the correct size, it'd be better. But even like right here, it's kind of tight. I feel like I would have to do like the stretching of the elastic to hear it like, you know, like make more room. And then I'd be comfortable, but that's like too much work. So this is going back. Okay, here's another one from Time and True. This one comes in a bunch of different colors. I picked this like plum purpley color because I think it's so pretty and I don't have anything like it. I did get it in a medium. I did get this in a large because Again, I got this one in a large because of the bust. I was worried that it might be too small. It does have removable pads because we're lumpy and bumpy again. I don't understand these pads, I really don't. Just make the material thicker on the top, you know what I'm saying? Again, with the torso being too short, the saggy little grandma booty. So I think this would be cuter in a smaller size. Okay, for this next one, this is from the juniors department. I got it in a size large, and I did so because I ordered it in an extra large before. I had to return it because it was way too big. And this one I feel it fits like perfectly. In the back, this is what the back looks like. It's got a tie detail here, a little scoop opening in the back, but it is like brief style. It's full coverage. I really love the print, and because of the cut, you can almost wear this as a top as well. I got these from Walmart as well, and they are in a size 10. So you see how that looks like a shirt? I love, okay, Walmart. Okay, this next one is in a size large and large. I'm wondering if I can cover more if I undo this, because I feel like too much is showing up here in the front, girl. If I were to get a size extra large, it'd be way too loose and I would have zero support on the top. This is an adjustable strap up at the neck. The bottoms have this little ruching here at the sides with a cute little twist. The back side is completely covered, and this is how it closes in the back for the top. I am obsessed with this Barbie pink, like so stinking cute. And you guys know I'm not a pink girl, okay? So that's saying a lot. Speaking of juniors department, I got these pants. I know that they have these crocheted pants, top and shorts, but I decided to just go with the pants because I thought they would be, I thought they would be cute as a cover up. Here we go. Put these on top. Ew, girl, these are cute. Okay, so for this one, I would definitely suggest you getting your actual size. I'm wearing a medium, which is an 8-10 in Walmart sizing, so just giving you a little bit of a reference. Very flattering on the girls in the front here, okay? Because these things are soft, they're squishy, and they want to go on the floor. And they're up and saying, "Ew." Here's the back. I showed you guys this in black as well, but I love the red. Okay, red. Now I'm wondering if this would be a good suit to show you this cover up. This one's also super cute. I believe it comes in black as well, but I decided to go with white this time. I know, what's wrong with me? I did get it in a size, was it large, extra large? Yeah, size large. And I just think it's really cute. Even if you were to wear just like a white bathing suit, or maybe even a white slip, or a white, like maybe bralette, and some white jeans or cutoff shorts. Like, I just think it's so stinking cute. Like very Lana Del Rey, right? Here's the back, little tassels. I love it. I think I should put a white bathing suit underneath this. This looks almost like for a bride. Okay, for this one, it's just a bikini top. I didn't buy the swim bottom, so I'm gonna just throw my jeans on really quick and show you. I think I have 2 tops and no bottoms, but I thought I would just show you guys anyways, since you can mix and match bikinis because they come in 2 pieces. So here's the first one. This is in a size large, and it's got a little bit of a flute going on here to help you with the waist factor. It has like a little amber bead here in the chest. There are some pads that do feel like they are removable, and it has like this non-slip little lining here. So there's that. I'm not sure about this one. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Here's another bikini top. This one is from Sofia Vergara's line. I got it in a size large, and this one is in black, but it does come in, I believe, like a multicolored print and red, but I didn't get the multicolored print because the delivery time was like way too far for me to make this video, and I just decided on the black, but now I'm regretting it because the black fits me perfectly. It fits almost like a comfortable, I can sleep in this, like a comfortable sports bra, but this one still has a little bit of the boning, kind of like the underwire, but straight on the sides to keep its form. There's nothing underneath here, so there's no wire under here. There is a little bit of material, and that's not bunching up thanks to that boning there. The straps are adjustable, and it covers so much of my back. Like, this is a cute, like, beach top. I definitely wouldn't be shopping at Walmart like this, but, or would I? Okay, Sophia, I need to order that right now before it sells out. Okay, here's another top that I got from the junior section, and it is in a size large. I'm thinking, like, hopefully as I'm adjusting this that it will start to feel more secure, because at the moment it doesn't. It just feels like kind of loose and wild, and then when I pull these strings I feel like it starts to cut me weird and it's just not flattering. So this one is going back. Okay, and last but certainly the worst, I feel like, because it has like this netting here that there's no support. It's just all loose. So if you're not abbed up, girl, you're gonna have an extra roll because it stops here. Can you see that? This is not flattering. Oh no, this is not flattering at all. I did get it in the size large, but I feel like even if I wear a size down, this would still be a mess. So that's it. This is a hell no. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family. I hope to see you guys next time. Take care. Bye!